This is a Soundesign Model 4962 8-track player, portable clamshell style. The two halves hooked together. It's got good clasps that work. And it comes with a AC power cord and the connector cord, of course, for the speaker. You can also run it on 8 D-cell batteries or a 12-volt car adapter. Very good condition all around, and I've gone through the mechanism, cleaned the head, and pulled the capstan flywheel out and cleaned that bearing, and then demagnetized both of those as well. And it sounds real nice. All the track indicators work. Good sound out of both the right and the left sides. It's really loud. Real nice portable 8-track player.